Mooh Deng, the famous baby pygmy hippo in Thailand, created by English Teacher Resource Hub by Crew Ben. Mooh Deng, a pygmy hippo living in a sanctuary in Thailand, follows a relaxed and playful daily routine. Every morning she wakes up and begins her day with a dip in her pool, enjoying the cool water to keep her skin moist. Pygmy hippos, unlike their larger cousins, love spending more time alone, so Mooh Deng appreciates the peace and quiet of her own space. After her morning swim, she steps out of the water to graze on her favorite foods, including leaves, grasses, sweet potatoes, and watermelon. The sanctuary staff carefully prepares her meals, making sure she gets all the nutrients she needs. Once Mooh Deng finishes her breakfast, she enjoys exploring her enclosure. Her curiosity leads her to sniff the plants, watch birds nearby, and sometimes playfully nudge at her surroundings. She's always alert to new smells or changes in her environment. By midday, when the sun is at its hottest, Mooh Deng finds a shady spot under the trees and takes a long, peaceful nap. In the afternoon, after waking from her rest, Mooh Deng returns to the water. This is when her playful side really shows. She swims around gracefully, using her strong legs and webbed feet to move through the water. The caretakers often give her enrichment activities, like puzzles or toys, to keep her mentally stimulated. Mooh Deng especially loves it when they hide pieces of fruit in her enclosure. Her favorite part of the day is searching for these tasty treats. Though Mooh Deng is shy and independent by nature, she's also affectionate. She sometimes nudges her caretakers gently or watches them with curiosity. Her love for water, calm personality, and playful habits have made her a favorite at the sanctuary, bringing joy to visitors and helping raise awareness about the endangered pygmy hippos.
Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with your friends and students, and subscribe to English Teacher Resource Hub by Crew Ben Facebook page for more tips and tutorials. And have a nice day.